30. Do you know sine 2x over x?
My son, pride is not the word I'm looking for.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Guys are great. You'll never
Nick, get the fuck.